Test tubes are small cylinder container, with U-shaped bottom and open top, for easy pouring and cleaning, made of glass and plastic, used for mixing, heating, storage, and observe reactions, as mentioned in next slide. Test tubes must be compatible to materials, and chemicals, and equipments, and adapt to sizes and volumes and sterility requirements, as mentioned in next slide. Glass test tubes provide excellent visibility for observing reactions, and resist high temperatures and chemical reactions, so, it used for chemical reactions and heating substance, while plastic test tubes are lightweight and disposable test tubes, less prone to breaking, and used for sample collections and short-term storage, as mentioned in next slide.